Happy Friday everyone! Good morning! Tingnan niyo to guys, so ang ganda. Souvenir ni... Ganda no? Kung gold lang sana yan. Grabe no? Pero golden color siya guys. Mostly, ang favorite nila dito is ito yellow. Kuwait. Mahilig sila sa kulay yellow. Yan o. Ganda no? Yan. Tapos, ito naman guys yung flag nila. This is the flag ng Kuwait. Color is green sa taas. Have 4 colors. Green, black, white, and then red. Yan. This is the flag. Kuwait. I love Kuwait. Thanks God for this first time working here in Kuwait. 11 years me now here. Thanks God. Kuwait flag. Yan. Diba? Go, go, go lang. Happy weekend. God bless us all. Thank you for always supporting guys.